vehicle? Check out the 2020 Voyager. The Chrysler Group manufactured the Plymouth Voyager. It was renamed the Chrysler Voyager from 2001 to 2003. The Voyager minivan is a short wheelbase model to give decent maneuverability in a minivan platform. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: touring suspension, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, roof rack. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.